Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're talking about the best automatic smart cat litter box that brings comfort for your cat and convenience for you. If you're looking for a cleaner and smarter way to handle daily litter duty, this could be a game changer in your home. Let's take a closer look at what it offers. Let's get started. The product we're exploring today is the FuroMate PCT010 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box. This smart litter box is designed to make cat care easier while keeping your home fresh and hygienic. One of the first things you'll notice is its open-top design. This layout follows your cat's natural habits and gives them plenty of space inside. At the same time, it has a compact footprint, so it fits nicely into different areas of your home without taking up too much room. Cleaning is where the FuroMate PCT010 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box really shines. It features a removable litter compartment with no screws, which makes disassembly simple and fast. The smooth one-piece silicone construction also helps a lot. Because the surface is seamless, litter does not get stuck easily, and wiping it down feels quick and stress-free. This saves time and keeps the box looking clean. The internal transmission system is another important feature. It efficiently scoops clumps and redistributes fresh litter evenly after each cycle. This means your cat always steps into a fresh and comfortable space. You do not need to worry about uneven litter or leftover waste staying behind. The redesigned waste bin is built to hold up to 7 days of litter waste for one cat. That means fewer trips to empty the bin. It reduces daily effort and makes the whole experience more convenient, especially during busy weeks. Safety is a top priority with the FuroMate CT010 Automatic Smart Litter Box. It includes 4 weight sensors, 4 infrared sensors, and a current protection sensor. If your cat enters the box while it is operating, the system immediately stops. This prevents accidents and gives you peace of mind knowing your pet is protected at all times. The low-noise design is also worth mentioning. The unit runs quietly, so it does not scare or disturb your cat. A calm and quiet environment helps your pet feel more comfortable using it regularly. The FuroMate PCT010 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box is compatible with most clumping litters, including bentonite and mineral types. This gives you flexibility in choosing the litter that works best for your cat. The hands-free automatic scooping system also helps reduce the risk of parasites and infections by keeping waste contained and removed quickly. Overall, the FuroMate PCT010 Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box combines smart technology, strong safety features, easy cleaning, and a cat-friendly design in one modern solution. Ready to upgrade your cat care routine? Check the price link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.